Imagine waking up and realizing you made money while you were dreaming. No boss, no alarm clock, no 9 to 5. Just income that flows whether you're working or not. Sounds impossible? It's not. It's called passive income, and it's how the wealthy escape the endless grind. The truth is, you'll never be truly free until your money works harder than you. And thanks to modern tools, especially artificial intelligence, building passive income has never been easier or faster. Today, I'm going to share 5 proven ways to create systems that earn for you around the clock. Ready to stop trading time for money? Let's dive in. Number 1, create and sell digital products. Digital products are the foundation of modern passive income because once you create them, they can earn for you forever. You don't need warehouses, staff, or shipping, just creativity and consistency. Think ebooks, templates, printable guides, stock photos, digital planners, or Notion dashboards. Anything that saves time, solves problems, or adds clarity can become your next digital asset. Here's how I started. I used ChatGPT to brainstorm product ideas and generate detailed outlines. Then I used Canva's artificial intelligence design tools to create clean, professional layouts, covers, icons, and mock-ups, all without hiring a designer. Once my digital files were ready, I uploaded them to Gumroad and Etsy, both of which automate everything from payment processing to file delivery. That means I could go to sleep and still wake up to new sales notifications. The key isn't perfection, it's usefulness. The more clearly your product solves a problem, the more consistently it sells. For example, a simple budget tracker template that helps someone save money every month can earn hundreds over time. Artificial intelligence tools can even help you analyze keywords and write product descriptions that attract buyers organically. Start small, maybe one guide, one template, or one digital checklist. Keep improving it with feedback and data. Over time, your online store becomes a digital shelf that sells 24/7, quietly compounding every effort you made once. When your first sale hits while you're asleep, you'll realize something profound. You don't need millions of followers, just one great solution that truly helps people. Number 2, build an automated online course. Teaching online is one of the fastest growing ways to earn passive income. Why? Because knowledge never sleeps. Once you record your lessons, the system can keep earning for you for years. If you've mastered any skill, from marketing, writing, design, or photography to coding, productivity, or mindset, you can turn it into an automated income stream. I started by outlining my course using ChatGPT, which helps structure my lessons, break them into modules, and even write catchy section titles. I used Descript AI to edit videos automatically, trimming pauses, cleaning audio, and even generating captions. Then I uploaded everything to Teachable, a platform that handles payments, hosting, and delivery. Artificial intelligence even created quizzes, summaries, and automated welcome emails, turning my course into a self-sustaining system. The beauty of this model is scalability. Whether 10 or 10,000 people enroll, the workload doesn't change. Once built, it's infinite leverage. You teach once and get paid repeatedly. Students around the world can learn from you at any time of day, even while you're sleeping. But here's the truth. People don't pay for information. They pay for transformation. They buy shortcuts, structure, and simplicity. That's why you must design your course around results, not just content. Artificial intelligence can help you enhance that experience, from generating step-by-step visuals to analyzing which lessons your audience engages with most. If you treat your course like a product that evolves, not a project that ends, it can become your most powerful income stream. Because once your expertise earns money in your sleep, you're no longer working for income, you're earning from intellectual equity. Number 3, monetize content with automation. The world runs on content, and right now, content can literally pay your bills while you sleep. You don't need millions of followers to earn. You just need consistent, valuable output that solves problems or entertains. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram reward creators through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate deals. The beauty, once a post or video performs well, it keeps generating income long after it's uploaded. Here's how I do it. I use ChatGPT to brainstorm trending topics, write video scripts, and refine hooks that grab attention in the first 5 seconds. I then edit my clips using CapCut AI, which auto-cuts silences, syncs captions, and suggests background music. I use TubeBuddy to optimize titles and keywords, helping my content rank higher and reach more people organically. Once uploaded, artificial intelligence tools like VidiQ track analytics, audience retention, and engagement, letting me see exactly what works. Over time, even one strong video can continue earning through ads, affiliate links, and partnerships. The secret isn't speed, it's strategy. Don't post randomly. Build a niche, use data, and let automation handle the rest. Artificial intelligence allows you to scale production without burnout. It's your virtual assistant, handling brainstorming, editing, captioning, and optimization, so you can focus on storytelling. Each video, post, or article you publish becomes a tiny employee that works for you 24/7. And when your content library starts generating income while you rest, you'll finally understand the true meaning of making money in your sleep. Number 4, build an affiliate marketing system. Affiliate marketing is digital referral income. You promote products or services you genuinely use and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. It's like owning a slice of someone else's business, but without the inventory or customer support. Once your setup is automated, it can generate income long after you've done the work. I started by choosing products I actually believed in, tools, courses, and software I use daily. Then I used ChatGPT to write honest reviews, tutorials, and comparison posts. I organized all my affiliate links inside Notion AI, which kept track of performance, commissions, and renewal dates automatically. I then used Jasper AI to craft personalized email sequences that promoted these products over time, even while I was offline. Artificial intelligence also helps with SEO, optimizing keywords, generating blog headlines, and analyzing which content converts best. Once your content ranks, people find it daily through Google or YouTube, click your links and buy, all without your active involvement. The real key is authenticity. People can tell when you're pushing something you don't use. I built trust by showing real results, screenshots, workflows, and examples. Once that trust compounds, so does the income. Affiliate marketing doesn't pay instantly, but it scales beautifully. One solid review post can keep earning for months. One email sequence can bring in sales while you're sleeping. When I saw my first automatic commission come through at 2 a.m., I realized something simple but life-changing. Real leverage is making money from something you wrote weeks ago. Number 5, invest in digital real estate automated assets. Digital real estate is the most powerful form of passive income because just like physical property, it appreciates over time. Except this kind doesn't need a mortgage, maintenance, or location. You build it once and it earns indefinitely. Think niche blog or newsletters that generate ad and affiliate revenue. Here's how I started. I built a simple niche website using WordPress and Rank Math AI to optimize search engine visibility. I used ChatGPT and Surfer SEO AI to generate high-quality articles daily, then scheduled them to post automatically. Over months, traffic grew organically, and ad platforms like Google AdSense began sending consistent payments. I even embedded affiliate links in my articles for an extra layer of income. This is digital real estate, online properties that make money while you sleep. Artificial intelligence keeps it efficient. Tools like Zapier AI automate updates, Grammarly AI polishes content, and analytics dashboards show which posts perform best. Over time, each page becomes a digital asset, earning clicks, views, and commissions every single day. It takes patience to build, but once the engine runs, it compounds endlessly. A blog post written today could still be paying you years from now. The more digital land you build, the more streams of income you own. And one day, when your digital assets start covering your rent, bills, or lifestyle, you'll realize freedom isn't about working harder. It's about building smarter systems that never sleep. Passive income isn't a fantasy, it's a formula. You don't need wealth to start, you need wisdom, creativity, and consistency. Artificial intelligence is your greatest ally. It automates, optimizes, and amplifies your ideas. Every product, post, course, or blog you create today plants a seed that can grow into long-term freedom. The goal isn't overnight success, it's unstoppable momentum. So start small, build one system, let it earn while you sleep, and soon you'll realize that your time is your most valuable asset. If this inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because your freedom story begins the moment you stop working for money and start making money work for you.